How to appear offline on Messenger. It's quite easy and simple to appear offline on Messenger app. Just make sure to follow all the steps on this tutorial one by one. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, go ahead and open the Messenger app on your device. Once you open it, make sure to log in on your Messenger account. If you haven't created an account on Messenger, just create one and sign in to your account. Then select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen. On this left panel, you have to select the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now here you will easily find out activity status option which has been turned on. Open it and in order to appear offline on Snapchat, simply toggle off the button so when you are active. So here you need to pause active status until which time you want to pause. So I have set on until I change it. You can also set for 1 hours, 8 hours until 8 or custom. So let's select the pause button. And once you have done that, now you will successfully appear offline on Snapchat and you will also not see other people appearing online on Messenger. So now you will successfully appear offline on Messenger app and you will also not see other appearing online on Messenger app. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.